I've been sharing is the Blue Hill UL2 stove ring. This one here is constructed of stainless steel, and it fits on a sterno can perfectly, tuna cans as well. Sits right in this ring, but it also has these little dog legs that you can bend out so it will fit right over top of a can as well if it didn't have a seating area in here. What I love about this, it just spreads open and fits right on the bottom. That is your stove and your fuel all in one. This little rig here has many uses. Your imagination is really its limit. As you've seen, it works with a Trangia type stove, works with a penny stove sitting underneath. You can actually rake some coals up, set this on top, and you can keep your food warm and so on that way. This here, I decided to take one of these little pans here. This also, you can fit that in there. I kind of squished this one up coming in, but you can put that in there like that and put a fuel tab on this as well and use it for solid fuel. Very, very multi-use item. And House of Fire 72 designed this and has been selling them for a while now. He wanted me to try this out because we've been friends, so he sent me one. He didn't ask me to review it. I just really like it, so I thought I would share it with you. Leave a link down below where you can check this out. So, very cool piece of gear, very lightweight, and can do so much with it. So this here is just another cool piece of gear that I thought I would share, just because it has many uses, and it being a gift from a friend makes it kind of special. So I will be using it quite a bit. There's other videos on this as well on the internet, and a lot of people's been enjoying them. So thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.